ये शो थोड़ा ज़्यादा ही स्पेशल है ना राशि?
ये बहुत स्पेशल है एक्चुअली. जैसे मैंने बोला कि बहुत सारी ऐसी लेयर्स हैं जो आप देखेंगे हर किरदार की. एंड थ्रू माई कैरेक्टर स्पेशली यू अंडरस्टैंड वॉट ग्रीफ डज टू पीपल when it's not dealt with. You know, it leaks through your physical self, through the roughness in your language. But I feel like all that grief is just unexpressed love. And we all go through it, and it changes us. And that is what makes my character really relatable. But मैं आपको ये भी बताना चाहूँगी कि आपको हर कैरेक्टर से प्यार हो जाएगा. तो आपको समझ नहीं आएगी कि आप किसकी साइड लें. I think that's the best thing about our show. Yes.
Amazing. Thank you so much, Rashi. I think what I want you to do is try something more tonight. देखो एक्टिंग तो कर लेती हैं, गाना भी गा दिया, लेकिन आप मेरी भी नौकरी ले लो, राशि खन्ना. Just do me a favor. Why don't you tell us what's coming up next? Because there is another track that the audience and the fans especially would love to hear tonight. Tell us a little bit more about it.
Thank you so much, Rohini. वैसे आप सबके लिए अब और कुछ इंटरेस्टिंग आ रहा है. Yes, the next track from Lukhe. Some stories aren't just about the feeling of being let down. They're about how you rise from it, how you heal, and how you choose to live again. And this next track is exactly about that journey.
That's beautiful. This one's called Ji Lenge, by the way. It's composed by King and Markale. It's produced by Bharg and sung by King and Rua K. So Mumbai, make some noise for King and Rua K. Because music is the beating heart of this show, I keep saying.
Great direction is great creators having faith in you. It's having a co-star that believes in you, brings out the best in you. Is music that amplifies your emotion, and yeah, I mean, so much of it is owed to Lakshmir for the Sanover that he brought out of me. I love you. And yeah, I just know people are gonna love us. But as far as twists are concerned, सिर्फ twists हैं.
सिर्फ ट्विस्ट है. Oh wow.
जी मुझे लगता है कि इस लुखे की दुनिया में चाहे जो कुछ भी हो जाए, लकी और सनोवर जरूर जी लेंगे.
ओए, क्या बात है, क्या बात है. अब लुखे की दुनिया की बात हो रही है तो बता दूं कि केवल रोमांस नहीं है. इट्स अ फुल ब्लोन यूनिवर्स. हर किरदार का अपना स्वैग, अपना फाइट और अपनी ही दुनिया है. सो लेट्स ब्रिंग देम अप टू यू. फर्स्ट अप, अ सेल्फ मेड रैपर, रॉ, अनप्रेडिक्टेबल, ट्रस्ट स्लो करता.
स्टोरी सुनाई थी. आई थिंक म्यूजिकल क्राइम सीरीज, रोमांटिक सीरीज, वॉटएवर, जैसे निखिल ने बताया इसका जॉनर फिक्स नहीं है, बट आई थिंक म्यूजिक एड्स सो मच वैल्यू टू दिस स्टोरी कंसेप्ट एंड इट मल्टीप्लाई 10 टाइम मोर ऑल द इमोशंस. सो फॉर मी म्यूजिक. राजेश?
Yeah, I think of course music, but I think really when Agrim Devo came for the first time and when we heard the story, I think the honesty in the story, right? I mean, that really caught us in the sense it was so relatable, so raw and so real, right? And on top of that, secondly, the characters were so interesting, and the world which we saw was very interesting, and the chemistry of the key characters once you see the show, it's so beautiful, right? So that was like, you know, sort of cherry on the top. And I think to top that, great music. And I think Nikhil did mention that it's not the background music which we're talking about, right? We're talking about the soundtrack. And I think that's the piece which is at heart of it. And I think both of this put together was, you know, the key reason which we just thought that this is going to be a very scaled up project and a very ambitious series.
And here we are. And here we are. We're at a concert. This is amazing. Agrim Devo, let me tell you, सबसे ज़्यादा तालियां, cheers आपके लिए backstage से आ रही हैं. And that is always the testament to men who'd like to dream. So congratulations. इस कहानी को बताते वक्त बहुत सारे elements हैं. There's street culture, there's music, and there's characters. And उनकी emotional journeys. So what did you really want to focus on? What was the most important one? Can you rank?
Honestly, we are very drawn to stories of young people in such complex worlds. We wanted to tell stories that feel contemporary for what the youth is feeling right now. We needed a place that was simmering with rebellion, so we could pour so much youthful energy into this. Chandigarh fits perfectly. It sits at the intersection of all of these worlds. There is music, there is the desire for the youth to do great things with themselves. There is also crime, there's also darkness. And it melds beautifully to create this canvas for us, you know. These fine gentlemen showed faith in us. Amazon Prime, Nikhil, Stuti, Prerna, all of them showed a lot of confidence in this show. And here we are, ma'am. Hemang came and then took this and put his vision to it, and he's made a beautiful show.
I love it. I love it.
Very well, sir.
Next time I have a Viva, I'm sending him. He's so good. He's so beautiful. Thank you for that. I must say, a lot of love coming your way as well. And now because आपने इतने खूबसूरती से, you've already cued in our next guest on the stage, and I think it's audience favorites and culturally impactful hits. Please welcome director of Look Hai, Hemang Gaur. Hi Hemang, would you kindly step forward? First of all, congratulations. And just like both the gentlemen on my left and right and said, here we are, here we are. So we're just a few minutes away from the trailer launch. I think this is amazing. Okay, लेकिन trailer देखने से पहले, I do want to ask you कि इस audience को, and as he rightly said, the youth is simmering. You want to promise and deliver something that they can truly identify with. Tell me, emotionally हमें किस चीज़ के लिए prepare करना चाहिए हेमंग?
I think before stepping into the world of Look Hai, audience should try not define it. Don't define the show too early, because it's one of those shows which doesn't really fit into one box neatly. Because it's a multi-genre, comes with music, rap, crime, like Sir said. So just don't try to define it too quickly. धीरे-धीरे आप खोलेगा वो शो और आपको बहुत प्यार मिलेगा उससे. The show is also at its main core about people who are trying to find their own journey. Some are vulnerable, some are trying to make it big in the rap world. But at the end of the day, I think by the time you finish the show, आपको realize होगा कि ये magic जो हमने try किया create करने का, you will love it hopefully.
Well. Okay, so this is it. Normally, I would say let's watch the trailer, but I have you here, Hemang. I want you to do the honors. Would you
Yes.
kindly cue the trailer of Look Hai?
Something that we are here for. I'll just cue the trailer. Before, I would like to quickly thank our HODs and our crew and the cast that has tried to work very hard and put up this show for you guys. So yeah, let's go ahead and present you the trailer of Look Hai.
What makes these characters very, very relatable. In fact, the first thing I loved about the script was how beautifully these characters were written. Thank you to Devo. Thank you to Agrim for being the wonderful showrunners that they are. Thank you. To Hemang, our director, जिन्होंने बहुत मेहनत करी है to bring out the best in us. To Amazon and our producers for backing content like this. To all my Lukhas who've done such a fantastic job, and I think it is a team effort. उनके बिना शायद गुरबानी नहीं होती. जहाँ तक गुरबानी की बात है, तो it is a homecoming for me. मैंने बहुत सारी भाषाओं में काम किया है, लेकिन पंजाबी is who I am, and Punjabi is who I play. So I think वो मेरे लिए एक बहुत ही special रहा है reason that I became her, and I absolutely love my character. आप देखेंगे जट्टी है, और आप ये भी देखेंगे कि a Punjaban in all her power. There's so much that she hides, और आप देखेंगे कि unprocessed grief एक इंसान को क्या बना देता है. She doesn't raise her voice. She raises intensity in every scene that she's in, and that's why I love her. I loved playing her, and I hope आप लोगों को भी वो उतनी ही पसंद आए. एक नरम लड़की जो शो में बहुत गर्म हो जाती है.
All right.
I hope all you guys love it. We all have worked very hard, and I'm proud of this show. Thank you.
Wow, that is beautiful. You know, I must take this to King. I'll put it on the internet, okay? लेकिन मुझे पूछना है यार, let's be real for a second and ask you कि while you were shooting in Look Hai, वो एक moment आता है हर किसी की जिंदगी में जहाँ पर वो कहता है यार शायद मैं actor बन रहा हूँ. So what was that like for you?
नहीं, टू बी ऑनेस्ट हर दिन जब भी मैं स्केट पे पहुंचा हूँ सेट पे, हर दिन मुझे ये चीज़ फील होती गई है। जब भी जिसके भी साथ इस सीरीज में सबसे अच्छी चीज़ जो मुझे लगती है कि मैं म्यूजिशियन हूँ, म्यूजिक बैकग्राउंड से आता हूँ, बट मेरे साथ जितने भी हैं सारे टॉप नॉच एक्टर्स हैं। तो इवेंचुअली वो नहीं होता कि बाज के साथ अगर तुम मुर्गी को छोड़ोगे तो मुर्गी को लगने लगेगा वो बाज है। सो मेरे लिए मैं आई एम जस्ट अ स्टूडेंट अगेन। हर दिन सीखा हूँ इनसे, और हर दिन जब भी वो टेक बेटर होता गया, हिमांग भाई ने बोला हाँ ये सही है, और जब भी अग्रिम भाई आके बताते थे कि ऐसा नहीं ऐसा करना, और वो इमोट हो पाता था सही तरीके से, तो मुझे लगता था कि हाँ मैं सही कर रहा हूँ, क्योंकि मेरे को कुछ पता नहीं है। मेरे पास सबसे कम नॉलेज है इस चीज़ की। मेरे पास बस एक फीलिंग है कि किसी ने अगर कोई दुनिया दिखाई है मैं उसे इमेजिन कर सकता हूँ, और मैं अपनी भी दुनिया ऐसी बनाता हूँ। तो ये वाली दुनिया अग्रिम भाई और देवू भाई ने बनाई थी, एंड देन फिर वो दिखाने की कोशिश करी है हिमांग भाई ने, और हम